guys! Welcome back to the next guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a super clean and realistic subscribe animation completely inside Kinemaster. Instead of using templates made by others, it's better to create your own animations. Let's watch the preview first. If you liked it, then don't even think about skipping. Watch the video till the end, because every second has something to learn. Let's not waste any time and jump straight into it. First of all, you will need a smartphone frame like this one. Let me show you where to get it from. Open the PicsArt app and you will see an interface like this. Tap on the first option, then tap on Background. Now select this option to make your background blank. Next, tap on the Stickers option. In the search bar, type Smartphone. You will get a lot of smartphone frames. Choose the one you like best. I will go with this one. Now just increase the size a little, and once it looks perfect, save it as a PNG so the background stays transparent. Now you will need a screen recorder. Most smartphones already have one built in, but if your phone doesn't, you can easily download a screen recorder from the App Store. After that, log into YouTube using a different Gmail account. Then, start recording your screen and play any video from your channel. While recording, like the video and click the subscribe button, just like I have shown in this video. Now we need to place the recorded clip inside the smartphone frame. This is where it actually starts looking realistic. Let's do it step by step. I will be using Kinemaster, but you can use any editing app you're comfortable with. The process is pretty much the same everywhere, so just follow along carefully. First, take a plain background and slightly increase its length. Then, add the screen recording you made earlier. Make it a bit larger in size and place it right at the center of the screen. Next, add the mobile frame, resize it, and align it at the center as well. Make sure both layers are of the same length on the timeline. Now, you will notice the video does not fit perfectly inside the frame. To fix that, select the video layer and scroll until you find the Transform option. Tap on it, and at the bottom, you'll see the scale setting. Swipe left to increase the size slightly until the video fits perfectly with the frame. Now, the status bar at the top is making the frame look a bit messy, right? So to hide the status bar, keep the screen recording layer selected and go to the corner pin option. Let's first understand the controls you see here. The first handle lets you move the top left corner. The second handle adjusts the top right corner. Similarly, the other two handles control the bottom left and bottom right corners. Whichever corner you want to adjust, just select it. Then, using position X, you can stretch the video forward or backward. Right now, we only need to stretch the video a little upwards so that the entire status bar goes out of the frame. If you slide position Y to the right, the video will stretch upward just like this. In the same way, I will stretch the other corner upward too. Make sure both corners have the same Y value, otherwise the video won't look straight. Now you can see that the status bar has moved completely outside the mobile frame. Now we need to hide the part of the video that is sticking out of the mobile frame. To hide it, go to Media and add any plain image. Then change the color of that image to green, so later we can remove it using the chroma key effect. After turning it green, place the image over the area where the video is coming out of the frame. Watch carefully how I'm doing it. Even if a little part of the green image goes over the mobile frame, it's not a problem. To send the green image behind the frame, just tap the three dots and select Send to Back. You can see it goes behind immediately. It has gone all the way to the back. But we need to place the image just under the frame, so we'll tap the three dots again and select Bring Forward, and the image will appear above the video layer. Then make its length the same as the other layers. After that, tap the three dots again and choose Duplicate. place the duplicate image on the other area that needs to be covered. Repeat the same steps. Duplicate the image and place it on all the areas where the video is sticking out. If any image comes over the frame, tap the three dots and select Send Backward so it goes behind the frame. Now we need to turn the remaining area green as well. For that, select the plain background layer we added earlier, then go to Color and choose Green. This will make your entire background green. Now just export it. First, add the background of your choice. After that, go to Media and add the video we just created. Increase the size as you like and place it exactly at the center. To remove the green background, keep the video layer selected and scroll down. You will see the Chroma key option. Tap on it and enable it. The green background will be removed automatically. Now go back and scroll up. Select In Animation, then scroll down and choose Enter Slide Up. This will make your animation look even better. You can adjust the speed using the slider. I will keep it at 1. After that, go back again and select Out Animation in the same way, but this time choose Enter Slide Down. Now play the animation once and see how it looks. Now, where the In animation ends, move the timeline bar a little forward and add a keyframe. Go a bit ahead and add another keyframe. I'm not going into keyframes in detail right now. If you want to learn about them, you can watch this video of mine where I've explained what keyframes are and how to use them, all in just 4 minutes. Make sure to check it out. In this second keyframe, increase the size of the video so the like and subscribe buttons become clearly visible. Your animation will start looking like this. To make it even smoother, place the timeline bar between those two keyframes and tap on this graph icon. Select this option, and let me play it once to show you. Next, at this point, I will add another keyframe, then one more a little ahead. In this keyframe, I will shrink the screen so it fits perfectly inside the frame. This is important because after pressing the bell icon, the options appear below, and they should be visible clearly. Between these two keyframes, we'll add the same graph effect again. Your video is almost ready now. To make it even better, you can add some clip arts or stickers. Let me show you. Go to the stickers section and download this pack, Cartoon Hand Gestures. Add the first sticker, resize it, and place it properly. Make sure the tapping timing matches perfectly. Then select the sticker, tap the three dots, and choose Duplicate. Drag the duplicate forward and place it on the subscribe button in the same way. Repeat this once more. Duplicate the sticker again and drag it forward, then place it like this. Watch carefully. Your video is finally ready. Give it a watch once. With this method, you can not only create a subscribe animation, but you can display any screen recording inside a mobile frame just like this. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Also, don't forget to check out my tips and tricks playlist. You will find me there as well. Take care.